Feeling sick? Stuck in bed with a sore throat and cough? What if a lollipop could be your surprising secret weapon? We all know lollipops as sweet treats, but research shows ingredients like zinc can boost immunity, and honey has antimicrobial, throat-soothing power. Plus, sucking on candy spikes saliva production, neutralizing acids and easing discomfort. The act of sucking keeps you hydrated and distracted from pain. Saliva bathes your throat in healing enzymes, while special formulas deliver targeted relief. Think zinc for immunity and honey for microbial defense. A friend of mine battled relentless nausea. Ginger ale, crackers, nothing worked. Then she tried a ginger honey lollipop. Her stomach calmed, she could keep fluids down, and even cracked a smile. Sometimes the simplest remedy is also the sweetest. Lollipops aren't a cure-all, but they can complement your doctor's treatments, boosting comfort and mood when you need it most. Have you ever tried a lollipop remedy? Comment below. And for more wild health hacks, don't miss videos next on Curioverse.